Whether your pipes have burst or you've experienced flooding, water damage is one of the most destructive issues you can face as a homeowner. If water damage isn't taken care of immediately, it can lead to expensive damage to your home structure. We're proud to be the top water damage restoration service around, and we're committed to having satisfied customers and handling all of your restoration needs. Don't risk further damage to your home or business. Contact us today. We look forward to hearing from you.